Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about chia seeds. Chia seeds, a tiny but mighty superfood that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. Where do chia seeds come from? Chia seeds come from a flowering plant called Salvia hispanica, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. Here is some interesting information about chia seeds. The word chia comes from the ancient Mayan word for strength, and it is said that Aztec warriors would eat chia seeds to sustain them during long battles. Chia seeds are small, oval-shaped seeds that come in various colors: black, white, gray, and even brown. Chia seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and are packed with nutrients. What are some of the benefits of chia seeds? Chia seeds are a great source of fiber, protein, healthy fats, and various micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron. Chia seeds are also a good source of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies have shown that chia seeds may help lower blood sugar levels, improve heart health, and promote weight loss. How can we use chia seeds in our diets? There are many ways to consume chia seeds. One way is to simply sprinkle them over your breakfast cereal or yogurt. You can also add chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or even salads for a crunchy texture. Chia seeds can also be used to make a chia pudding by mixing them with milk or a dairy-free alternative, sweetener, and flavors of your choice, then refrigerating for a few hours or overnight. Chia seeds can even be used as an egg substitute in vegan baking. How to store chia seeds? Chia seeds should be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight. Chia seeds can last for up to 2 years if stored properly. You can also grind chia seeds into a powder using a spice grinder or blender, but keep in mind that ground chia seeds have a shorter shelf life and should be used within a few weeks. Are there any precautions or side effects we should be aware of when consuming chia seeds? Chia seeds are generally safe for most people to consume, but it's always a good idea to start with a small amount and gradually increase the intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Also, if you have a history of swallowing difficulties or are taking blood-thinning medications, it's best to consult with your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. There are many recipes with chia seeds, such as chia seed pudding, chia seed smoothie, chia seed banana bread, chia seed jam, chia seed granola, chia seed yogurt parfait, chia seed salad dressing, chia seed oatmeal. Here's a simple recipe for chia seed pudding that you can try at home. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any other milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon honey, or maple syrup or any other sweetener of your choice, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, fresh fruit or berries for topping, optional. Instructions. 1. In a medium bowl, combine chia seeds, almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract, if using. 2. Whisk together until well combined. 3. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight to allow the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and form a pudding-like texture. 4. Once the pudding has set, stir it well to break up any clumps. 5. Serve the pudding in a bowl or jar and top with fresh fruit or berries, if desired. Here's another recipe for a hearty vegetable soup that incorporates chia seeds. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 chopped carrot, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, undrained 6 cups vegetable broth, 1/2 cup chia seeds, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. 12. Fresh chopped parsley, optional. Instructions. 1. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until the onion is translucent, about 5 minutes. 3. Add the carrots, celery, and red bell pepper and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Add the diced tomatoes, including the liquid, vegetable broth, chia seeds, thyme, salt, and pepper. 4. Stir well to combine. 5. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the chia seeds have plumped up. 6. Taste the soup and adjust seasoning as needed. 7. Serve the soup hot, garnished with fresh parsley if desired. This soup is packed with fiber and protein thanks to the chia seeds, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal. Here's another recipe for a refreshing chia seed smoothie. Ingredients. 1. 1/4 cup chia seeds. 2. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any other milk of your choice. 3. 1 sliced banana. 4. 1 cup frozen mixed berries. 5. 1 tablespoon honey, or maple syrup or any other sweetener of your choice. 6. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. 7. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the chia seeds and almond milk. 1. Let the mixture sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes, or until the chia seeds have absorbed the liquid and formed a gel-like texture. 2. In a blender, combine the banana, mixed berries, honey, vanilla extract, if using, and the chia seed mixture. 3. Blend on high speed until the ingredients are smooth and well combined. 3. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add some ice cubes to thin it out. 4. Pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. This chia seed smoothie is a delicious and healthy way to start your day or enjoy as a refreshing snack. It's packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants from the fruit and chia seeds. Here's another recipe for a tasty chia seed and avocado salad dressing. Ingredients. 1. 1 ripe avocado. 2. 1/4 cup fresh chopped cilantro. 3. 1 minced garlic clove. 4. 1/4 cup fresh lime juice. 5. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 6. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a blender or food processor. 2. Add the chopped cilantro, minced garlic, lime juice, olive oil, and chia seeds to the blender. 3. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. 4. Season the dressing with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Serve the dressing immediately over your favorite salad greens or store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. This creamy avocado and chia seed dressing is a healthy and flavorful alternative to traditional store-bought dressings. It's perfect for drizzling over salads, roasted vegetables, or as a dip for fresh veggies. Remember, it's important to eat a variety of foods to get all the nutrients your body needs. Chia seeds are just one of many options for a healthy diet. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Thank you for joining.